Hello everyone! In this short video I will show you how to buy Hungarian Vizsla Inu tokens if you want to use Binance's Web3 wallet. I will walk you through all the steps from the very beginning and you will see the best practice to swap some tokens. First, I will fund my Web3 wallet with some USDT and some BNB. Then I will go through the swapping process step by step until I have my bag of HVI. Binance has integrated its Web3 wallet solution in the main app, so I will fire up the Binance app. I have the button in my shortcuts up here. In case you don't see it there, you can always access it by tapping on More. I'm gonna hit Web3 wallet and up on top, Receive. It's very convenient that Binance has an integral transfer function here. By tapping on Transfer In, it will immediately pre-fill all the wallet details that I need for moving assets from the centralized exchange to the decentralized self-custody wallet. I just need to select the coin, which is USDT, the network, which is BEP20, and let's say I want to transfer $100 or maybe $101 just to make sure that I cover some transaction fees too. Now I will click on Withdraw. Always double check the wallet address and the chain. The fee is absolutely fine with 19 cents. And if everything is correct, tap on Confirm. Now the withdrawal is processing. Transfers on the Binance Smart Chain usually take less than a minute. I will just scroll back to my Web3 wallet, click on USDT, and with this, I'm forcing it to refresh the contents. And here we go. My 100 USDT is now on chain in my Web3 wallet. The next step is to do the same thing with some BNB. So I'm gonna go back to the exchange, quickly buy some BNB tokens. I don't need a lot. I mean, the transaction costs only a few cents worth. So I will just buy, let's say for $10, set it to market buy and done. So now go back to the Web3 wallet, tap on Receive, then tap on Transfer In. BNB is selected as a token automatically. Wallet address is already filled in. All I need to do is to set the maximum amount and hit withdraw. I will need to confirm the transfer and that's it. It is already underway. If I go back to my wallet now and check the price of BNB, it would refresh my wallet content just like before. And here we go. It is already credited. Now that I have USDT and BNB in my wallet, I can start swapping. The source asset is USDT, and instead of BNB, I will choose Hungarian Vizsla Inu, which has the HVI ticker symbol. Good news is that Binance Wallet automatically recognizes all the tokens on the BSC chain, even without having to manually add it to the wallet to be identified. So just tap on the single search result and I'm back at the swapping screen. I'm gonna adjust the amount of USDT to the maximum available, and I get a quote with the best rate according to Binance Wallet. Interestingly enough, it says that the best route to take would be through 1inch, and the quote says it would be about 1 quadrillion HVI tokens with a minimum of around 921 trillion. Now, I'm going to approve the swap, best security, and if I go back to my wallet now to check what happened, well, all I got was 810 trillion. That is far from what I expected. Basically, I just lost something like 20% on the swap, and that is just simply not a good deal. The culprit here is probably 1inch, which has some weird routing mechanism in place. I am rather surprised that PancakeSwap doesn't even appear in the list of built-in DeFi aggregators, but one thing is for sure, the fact that the integrated swap function finds only one single router is just not acceptable. However, there is a solution to all this. I can actually use PancakeSwap inside of Binance's Web3 wallet, and to show you how easy and effective it is, I have loaded my wallet by another 100 USDT. This way I will have a perfect comparison for the results. To access PancakeSwap, just go to the Discover menu, and it is actually the first thing in the list. I will tap on it and select Open dApp. Using PancakeSwap like this will automatically connect my Web3 wallet with the application, and all I need to do is go to Trade, select USDT. For the other field, I will just simply type HVI into the search bar, and it finds the token based on the information coming from CoinGecko. This is the right token address, so I will tap on Import, and as it's an unlisted token as of yet, I will need to acknowledge the risks. I will select the maximum amount of USDT once again, and we'll scroll down just a bit to adjust the slippage tolerance to 20%. And then if everything looks okay, I will confirm the swap. I will need to pass some security verification, and the exchange of tokens is under progress. Now, I get the confirmation that the transactions have been successfully executed, and if I swipe up to the upper right corner, I can check the transaction statement, and I see that I have received 916 trillion, which is in line with the general transaction tax that is in the HVI smart contract. Going back to the main page of my Web3 wallet, I see that the amount looks alright, so lesson learned here. Using Binance's Web3 wallet is great, but I really need to make sure that I use PancakeSwap from within the app to get the best transaction rates. I hope you guys found this video informative and useful. Make sure you subscribe if you want to see more like this. Take care.